In this video, I'm going to show you how the students have learned area model. So one question that students have worked on is 5,624 divided by 5. So if they are doing, call it area model, they learned area model with multiplication and now they're doing area model with division. So when we do area model, we first draw a box that is kind of going to be our area. And I have students put a little X in the corner to remind themselves that they're going to be multiplying. And then there are sections. Typically there are 3 sections, but there might be 2 or there might be 4. Students go along as we continue. So the process that students follow is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. And so I want to know how many groups of 5 I can take out of 5,624. And so with this number, I have them think about if they can pull out the easy numbers first. So thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to start with my thousands. I know that I can pull out 1,000 groups of 5. So I'm dividing right now. 1,000 groups of 5. Now I'm going to multiply. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. I've divided, I multiplied. Now I'm going to subtract those two numbers. 5624 minus 5,000 is going to give me 624. The B stands for bring down when we're doing our traditional method. So I say the B here stands for bring over because we've run out of space. And now we're going to move to a different place value. So now I want to know how many groups of 5 I can take out of what's left, which is 624. I can't take out any more thousands, but I can take out a group of 100 groups of 5. So I'm dividing. 100 times 5 is multiplying, which is giving me 500. Now I'm going to subtract 624 minus 500. And that's going to give me 4, 2, and 1. And now I'm going to bring over again to my 124. So now I can't take out any more hundreds, but I can take out groups of 10. So when the students get to this part, sometimes they get stuck. So we talk about 10 groups of 5 is 50. 20 groups of 5 is 100. 30 groups of 5 is 150. And I have them go until they pass this number. And then we look and we see which one are we going to do, which one is closest. So I can take out 20 groups. That's my dividing. 5 can go into 124 20 times. I'm going to multiply 20 times 5, which is 100, which we already solved. I'm going to subtract, and that gives me 24. I still have enough left over. This one. And I'm going to bring over for 24. So now I can't take out any more 10s. So this is where knowing those math facts is going to help them. So I want to know 5 times what number can get me closest to 24, or how many groups of 5 can I take out of 24. So we know that, I don't have space here, I can take out 4 groups. 4 times 5 is going to give me 20. So I've divided, I multiplied. I'm going to subtract 24 minus 20 to give me 4 left. So now I cannot take out any more groups of 5 from 4. So I'm going to total up. We call these our partial quotients because our quotient is the answer to a division problem. So they're adding all of these up and they get 1,124. And if there is a remainder, then they're going to just put R4. So this is our area model, and the students practice the same routine of divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and they just follow the same pattern over and over until they don't have any more groups that they could take out.